Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. I've been to Aldi. They've got a new yarn event and well, I did buy a bit, I must admit. Just going to get it, hang on. This will take a while. Well, and I hope I'm going to be able to see. Oh, I've got glasses handy. That was lucky. I think I actually put them in there earlier in case I videoed. And I will wear them even though I've got the light. So, do they make me look intelligent? Nah. Okay, so what did I buy? They've got a huge event on at the moment. Let's move my tea because it's a little bit on the hot side and I don't want to burn myself. And well, I've never ever bought anything quite like this before. And I thought I'd give it a try. Now this is popcorn yarn. Pom-pom, sorry. Can't even see it with the glasses on. It's really pale writing, but it's better on the actual ball. Pom-pom yarn. They're 50-gram balls and it's called Twinkle. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of like a normal strand of yarn and then this fluffy little dude on it. So, try and see. I'm going to bust them out. I suppose I can get them out because where's the rustling? I've actually lost my microphone, so I'm hoping I'm going to try and speak up, and I'm hoping I'm going to be loud enough. I'm going to buy a new one anyway because it was, I don't know if it was malfunctioning on my phone, but it wasn't brilliant just recently, so I'm going to get a new one. So this is approximately 25 meters. Obviously there's not a lot in a 50-gram ball because of these great big pom-poms, but I did get 4 of them. Never used anything quite like this. It's classed as a 5 weight, chunky, like bulky 5. So I don't know how I'm going to get on with this really, but I just fancied giving it a try. It looked kind of fun. There is a free cushion pattern on the inside. My guess it will be knitted, but you know what, I might even have a go at that because I can knit. Don't do it very often, but I can do it. Now I really loved this. It's called Denim Yarn and it's a bit of a little fleck going on, blue and white. Try and keep them together. So let's get these out. I'm going to try and keep the packs intact though, if I can. These are tiny. Wow. Look at that. It's like a little donut. It's the only donut I'm going to get. Right, these are 50-gram balls. And what does that say? Washed, maybe. It's a 4 weight. I don't know. Does it look like a 4 weight to you guys? Looks more like a 3 to me. That looks more like a DK. And I can't see around the back of the yarn band, which I hate it when you know, I'm going to just break this one off. I don't really want to break it and not be able to read it, if you know what I mean. Like, it's sellotaped, taped at the back. Usually you can just unclip them. So if I just do it there, it doesn't matter about one of them. Wow, that is tiny. Okay. Oh, I think that's just the actual yarn band that's recycled. Can't really see anything of it. Oh wow, that is tiny. Approximately 50 grams. Oh, I haven't got a hope in hell of seeing how many meters that is. I wonder if I could just, that might be a good idea. 80 meters? Yeah, 80 meters. That is really small writing. I know it's a small yarn band, but still, that is just ridiculous. Can't see a colour. There's something on the inside actually. There's a pattern. There is a pattern on the inside, a knitted pattern. I don't quite know what. Doesn't say, does it? Oh, there's a picture of something, but it's hard to work out. Where are we? A free mug cozy pattern. It's got a mug cozy pattern. I don't think I'll be making the mug cozy. Just trying to find a colour. Well, can't see it, so we'll just call it blue and white. So be as good as any. But I got 2 packs of 4 because I kind of fancied making, oh, shouldn't point out it's cotton. It is actually cotton, but I can't read it, it's so small. Really crazily small. Put that there a moment. What is it? Let's see. It's got massive writing, keep out of the reach of children, but anything you might want to know, no. Where the heck is it? It's not going to tell me. Nope. Purveyors of fine yarn. So crafty, knit and purl. Be perfect for Granny D, wouldn't it? Perfect yarn. Nope. How bizarre. Never mind. It's cotton anyway, I can feel it. And I decided that with that and this one, I'm going to make a bath mat. So that kind of, that's denim yarn as well, but it's all blue. Same as that, just not variegated in any way. But I thought I would put the two together and make a bath mat because I'm going to have a blue and white bathroom. I've got blue and white bathroom at home as it is, but I'm going to make it for here. It's got a bit of a nautical theme going on in the bathroom. So then I bought this. It's called Knit Purl Flossie yarn. You can see it's kind of a bit hairy, but and it's brightly coloured. And I don't know where the pack end is. There we are. Try and get one out to show you. Let's hope the writing's a bit better. This is nice and soft. I like the way it's wound. It looks like a miniature ball of, like a miniature big cake, if you know what I mean. It's kind of cute. So, Flossie yarn. Rust. Really? What's rust about that? Absolutely nothing. Really? Free bunting on the reverse, the bunting pattern. It's a chunky 5. And, well, where are we? 50 grams, 97 metres. This one's a little bit better to read than the others. Still, normally it would tell you 100% acrylic or whatever. Oh, here we go. 63% acrylic and 37% nylon. But I kind of like that. That is cute. Nothing rusty about that. That is bizarre name for it, I would say. It's all pastel shades. But I've got 2 packs of 4 of those. Because up until now, whenever I buy yarn in these events, I just like buy 1 pack or something. And I look at it and I just think, I like that. But what can I actually make with that? It's never really enough to make anything. So I decided that wasn't going to happen this time. And I got myself some huge yarn. Now this is called Sage. I don't want to undo this packaging because I want to keep it intact if I can. But this is Aran weight, so it's a 4 weight. And let's see, monster ball of, I like this colour Sage. It's really cute, really nice. Right, here we are. It is 75% acrylic, 25% wool. It's a 400 gram ball, approximately 800 metres. So I got 1, 2, 3, because as I said before, was fed up with everything I got, was never enough to make anything large. So you'd always have to put it with something. Now they're falling on the floor because they're huge. So I've got quite a lot of that one. I'm rather warm in here, so now I like this. A lot of the stuff that they had this time round was very, very fine. I went in there because I saw online they had bamboo and I really wanted to try, I'm really sweating, I really wanted to try this bamboo. And when I got there, it was 3-ply, if anything. It was really fine, and I've not made anything that fine in a long time. I haven't even used 4-ply, which, you know, is sport weight in America, or you know, what we would call 3-ply, I think you call fingering, and it seemed as fine as that or finer, and it was definitely not for me. So unfortunately I wanted to try bamboo, but I'm not buying that. It was just much too small. So this is t-shirt yarn, and I absolutely love the colour. Now if you remember, when I went to Hobbycraft, I got something very similar to this, the same colour, and it looks much of the same. Although I would say, if you can see, the strands on this look like they're woven. They've got a weave, whereas the strands of the other one kind of just looked like a foam. You couldn't see any kind of weave to them. Well, this is a 4-weight. For once, they have 4 weights and lots of it, so I was kind of happy. Now this is a 50 gram ball and it's 88 meters, and it's called Aqua. For once, the name matches the yarn. So how much of this did I get? There's 4 in a pack, and I got 1, 2, 4 packs. Definitely enough there. I might be doing a little giveaway with some of this yarn soon. Every now and then I change my mind as to what I'm going to put in the giveaway. Now I also got 2 of these. Now I still have quite a lot of the cakes that I got last time. Haven't done anything with them. This is called Rainbow Yarn, Mardi Gras, and it's a 200 gram cake. And I believe there is this pattern for fingerless gloves on the reverse, but I don't know if they're knitted. Most of their stuff tends to be, so it probably is. So let's have a look. I don't think there's too much else to tell you about this other than the fact that it's a 4, and there's 350 meters. It's a 200 gram ball. It's 80% acrylic and 20% wool, and I would say that when I touch this, it reminds me of a Caron cake in feel. Some feel softer than others, but to me, I always find that the Caron, unless they're something a bit special, the normal Caron cakes are a little rough for my liking, and this feels on a par with it. You could have fingerless gloves from it. You wouldn't think, oh, they're itchy, I don't like them. But the colours caught my eye. I really going to roll on the floor, I think. I really like that. We're nearly, oh, hang on. I got another one of those. So I've got 3 of those. Or is it 4? Lost count. So, one of the things that they have quite often is like the baby chenille. And they had quite a lot of it this time, and some really, they got some nice pastel pinks and pastel blues. It was, the last time they had pastel blue, it was like a dark, dusky, horrible, not babyfied at all, and I didn't really want to use it. I have got some, and I did put it with other stuff just to bring the colour up. I'm just looking to see if I can, I think this one's open. I got 2 of these. So, put that one over there for a moment. This one actually did come open in the store, so I can get one out and show you. But this is much softer than their previous chenille, and it's very, very thick. Some of it, you know, when you buy this, is more drapey than others, but it's saying 4. I don't think that's quite right. I think they're balls. Oh, balls. There are 4 balls. God, I was going to say it's nothing like it. They're saying it's chunky, like a 5, but to me that's much fatter than that. And it's 95 meters in here. And this one, have we got a name? None. There is a blanket pattern on the inside. Again, I guess that will be a knitted blanket pattern. So they do like to give you, there's the blanket. They do like to give you patterns with their yarn, which is kind of nice if you want them. This colour is called Moon Magic, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It's kind of a mauvey pink, that, and the blue is nice, which I liked, because as I said before, their blue was a bit icky, to be honest, and they've had some that have been fleck. You know, everybody seemed to have that green and blue fleck. I think Bernat had it, so everybody copied that colour, and they did too. But to me, that is not a 5. That's bulkier, because some of this is when you buy the chenille, it's actually more willowy and I've got a hair driving me mad. But that's it, basically. That is all I say. That's all I got. That's what I got, and I have no idea where I'm going to stash it all. But I've got enough to get me going with quite a few projects. I only know one that I'm going to make, and that is a bath mat. I might even make 2 bath mats out of that. Oh, I love that biscuit tea. That is spot on. So, hope you like my little haul. Keep your eyes peeled because there will be a giveaway. It's February, as I've explained before, and that's my birthday month, so I'm going to be doing a fair few little giveaways. They won't be massive, but there'll be lots of little ones and lots of chances to win. So out of this, there will be something when I make my mind up. And so keep your eyes peeled for that video coming soon. So thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget the subscribe button and the notification bell. Lots of tutorials coming. Gary's working tomorrow, so I'm going to be filming maybe a few more of the granny squares. I've got to start my blanket. I've finished that blanket now. I did put a picture of it on my wall. I should have brought it and showed it to you. But I might do a live later and show it to you there, or another video later on. Anyway, I will be starting that blanket, and then I've got to start the sparkly one, so which I got with the ice yarn. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope to see you again really soon. Bye for now.